Sabi mo dati, you only fall in love 3 times in a lifetime.
First love, yung young love na yung ano pa, idealistic ka pa, tapos parang feeling mo fairy tale pa, hindi ka pa marunong magmahal, hindi ka pa marunong mahalin, kaya siguro akala mo yun na.
And then you fall in love again. And that second love changes you. Ito yung love na piniling mo maging tama. Ito yung love na masakit. Kahit na alam mo nasasaktan ka na, nasasaktan na rin siya, nilaban mo pa rin. Ito rin yung love na sobrang nagpapasaya sa'yo. Kahit na alam mo masakit na. Until finally you decide, tama na.
It's the kind of love you need to walk away from.
Tingin ko rin, it's the kind of love you'll be thankful for later on.
But be thankful it showed you what kind of love you need to walk away from.
Ano nga ulit yung third?
It's the love that lasts.